Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable and use Google Chrome flags. I show you guys how to turn on or off the flags. I show you guys how to do that. Let's jump straight into it guys. Opens up the Google Chrome and go to search menu and type CHROME Chrome double dot icon double slash and FLAGS Chrome double slash flags. Press enter guys. Now opens up flags menu. You can search here whatever flags you want to modify, and here is available option guys. Default, enable, disabled option, whatever you want it, just search it and change it guys. After finishing, if you made any changes in here, the changes take effect. You just want to restart the computer for the changes to take effect guys. If you don't want anything made changes, you just want to click on reset all. That will reset all to default menu guys in this option. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.